I had a serious malfunction at the end of that last video, so I'm sorry about that. We do have one more question on page 78, so let's tackle it now. Consider the table of values for a linear relationship where we have x's and y's. These are written horizontally. And so I'm going to want to know what the unit rate is for that table, because this is talking about a unit rate. It says which unit rate could not be represented by the table of values. So let's find the unit rate for the table of values. And you can use that any of the points except the 0, 0. I'm going to use the 8 and the 2. So rise is 2 and run is 8. Okay, so 2 over 8, rise 2, run 8. That means that the reduced unit rate is 1 to 4. Now that's different than this 4 to 1. That's why I chose 8 over 2, because I didn't want to get it confused. 1 over 4 and 4 over 1 are not the same thing. They are in terms of this table. The y is 1 and the 4 is the x. That's the same. But be careful with that. Get your unit rate is what I'm trying to say. So the unit rate is 1 on the rise and 4 on the run. Okay, which unit rate could not be represented by that table of values? In other words, they're asking me, could this table fit with this story? Could it fit with this story? Could the table fit for each of those? So let's see. Let's try it. And I think if we find the unit rate for each one, we'll have the information we need. So A is saying the total sales Y for $1 per 4 bouncy balls when X is the number of bouncy balls sold. So this unit rate would be $1 for 4 bouncy balls. Okay, that matches that. So A is okay. That one is a yes. We're looking for the no. B says total miles rollerbladed, Y, that's the rise, when X is the number of laps rollerbladed and 4 laps is a mile. Well, 1 mile, that would be the rise. 1 mile to 4 laps. Okay, that matches. I'm changing the units, but the numbers are in the right order and they're the same. C is the total cost Y for $1. So $1 for 1 pack of 4 bottles of water. X is not the number of bottles, it's the number of packs purchased. If it were the number of bottles purchased, that would work. But what they're telling me is that the X on a graph would look like this. Not bottles. It's dollars per pack. I think that's the problem right there. But let's keep going here. The total number of bracelets made of 4 beads, and X is the number of beads. Well, the unit rate on this one, I would get 1 bracelet for every 4 beads. And then total number of packs of mechanical pencils, Y. When 3 packs contain 12 pencils, and X is the number of pencils. So this one is going to be 3 packs, 12 pencils. Now at first glance you may be thinking that's it. That's the one that doesn't match. But if you reduce that, you get 1 pack, which is your Y value, over 4 pencils. So the one that doesn't fit is this one. And it's not math that will get you. It's the wording. It's not $1 for 4 bottles. It's $1 for 1 pack. So C is the one that does not fit the scenario. That's a tough one. It's all about the theory on that one. Okay, we have finished lesson 5.1. So I'll be meeting you back again for lesson 5.2. Have a great day.